stop getting this haircut if you have a round face. And I'm going to explain to you why this might not be the best haircut. Now, this haircut is trending, okay? Like the mop top, the hairstyle that is layered and all coming towards the face. If you want to wear this hairstyle and you don't care about your face shape, you just want the haircut, you're confident, first and foremost, get what makes you happy. I think there's so many people right now on social media that are doing these ridiculous things like looks maxers and moggers and having jaw lines that aren't even realistic. Like it's like they were drawn. They don't even look human, half of these people. So I think the important thing is to stop getting brainwashed by how other people look or how you should look. You should feel confident in yourself no matter what it is, no matter what your jawline is like, your eyes, your cheekbones, like feel confident in you. So if you want to have a mop top haircut and you have a rounded face shape and you don't care, but you're happy and you think you look cool, then get it. Like, do you. That's the most important thing, all right? Now, the only time and reason you should be focused on maybe getting a different type of haircut shape for your face shape, but that's really important. What I said, haircut shape, and I'll go into that in a little bit, is that if it's something that you don't feel comfortable, like you look at yourself and you go, something is off with my hair. Like, I don't like my hairstyle. It makes my cheeks look wider. I don't like it. That is when you have to then go to your hair professional and say, something is not working with the haircut shape that I have because it makes my face shape look different. Now, to make you or help you understand what that really means as far as haircut shapes, there's a number of things, and I've been talking a lot about this recently. I've even created downloadable PDF ebooks that you could purchase of haircut shapes for men's hair and women's hair and what haircuts work best for your face shape based off of those, okay? With haircut shapes, that really is affecting how your face shape will look. Okay, it's the haircut shape. You can't just say, oh, I have a round face. Like, what haircut should I have? Well, if I give you a specific haircut, that haircut has to have its own shape. There's rounded, there's square, and triangular, going shorter to longer. So square is actually going to help kind of prevent the roundness to an extent because it's being cut here and you're making this lay closer to the head this way. And you can see what that does. Now, the only thing you have to be careful about is notice how if I make this flatter in through here, if you have wider cheekbones, right, and it is very round, this may actually accentuate that a bit more because it's making your head look slimmer, but it's actually making your cheekbones that are more rounded and your jawline look fuller because that's all you're focusing on. So there are times where you need to make some adjustments. What do you need? You possibly need more height, right, in through here. You need more height and that volume in through here so it kind of balances it all out. So what you don't want to do is create a haircut shape to where it's like really rounded and full here and it goes in and then, there's a lot of different things you don't want to do with haircut shapes that will make your face shape look, enhanced, okay? So a lot of times you have to pinpoint if your cheekbones are like your jawline's down here, well, think of this as like your jawline. Like where would this fit on your head? Your cheekbones are right here. So where would that be on your head? It would be in through here. So like all of these elements of your haircut almost match up with the different structure points on your face. So if you have a rounded face shape and you keep, maybe closing it off too much or opening it up too much, meaning like if you are, this is another thing because most rounded haircuts are opening up the face shape. So if it's something where you don't want to, expose the cheekbones and you're going like this, you're literally just saying, hey, look at my round face, right? You're opening up everything up because that usually is what a rounded haircut is. It's going shorter to longer in the front. And longer in the back. Now, however, on the flip side of that, if you're getting a haircut that is more of a, what I like to say, it's, out from the head. Technically, that is more of a rounded shape because it's following the head shape. That's what this haircut is. You could see that I can mold it and sculpt it in any way I want. I can get volume, I can get, fullness, all of that because I cut it the way it grows out from the head. So don't be afraid to get a haircut that technically might be more rounded, but it really happens in through here. So I'm leaving and covering this, so I'm creating more of a narrow face shape in through here and a narrow shape with the haircut. However, I'm creating roundness in through here. So it's actually slimming this area, but building volume in through here. So instead, you're looking at the haircut and the shape of it rather than fuller cheekbones and a fuller face or rounded face. Now, I have a bunch of different haircuts that I'm going to show you. Here is one to where traditionally on a rounded face shape, I would go with something more triangular because what does that do? It actually slims out the face. So by making this longer in through here, it now changes the structure. So more of a square or triangular shape, it's very slimming. So what you don't want to do is if you have a very more of a longer face shape and you're getting something triangular, guess what that's doing? It's making it look even longer. So for rounded face shapes, and again, if you want to know more in depth about what haircut shapes are best for your face, get those ebooks. They're $9.99. I've had thousands of people purchase them. You go to they're right here. You can click them and view the products right here. You go to my website, you choose if you want one for men's hair, one for women's hair, and then you purchase it, and you just wait like 10 seconds so it populates because it's a larger file size. You can download it right there, and you'll also get an email of the PDF. This is an ebook. It's not a physical book being mailed to you. It's a downloadable PDF ebook that explains to you haircut shapes and what are the best haircuts for those. So again, something more triangular is going to narrow it down. So what that means, you're actually kind of closing it off and you're trying to elongate. So instead of being more rounded, you're trying to go of a longer face shape because of the illusion that the haircut creates. So there is some length that's involved in this. Maybe a side parting. A side parting always kind of alters it's like an illusion of, maybe a middle part may open this up too much if it's too short. But if you have a longer haircut like this, you could see what it's doing. It's slimming down and narrowing this down. So maybe a middle part is going to be best for you. Here is another one. This is, really, really, really extreme. But let's just say you're somebody who and this goes for men's hair and women's hair. It's the same thing, same exact thing. Let's just say you're somebody and you want to grow your hair longer. Well, obviously, look what's happening. I can take this hair and literally make this look like all you see is two eyes. Like you would never know. This mannequin, or if this was a human, the cheeks could be out to here. But because this is so slimming, and look at how this jawline is. So by having longer hair like this, it really slims it down. If I were to open this up and create a rounded shape, look what that's doing. It's already opening all this up and through here. Again, if you feel comfortable with that and you want to have a hairstyle, you don't care what your face shape looks like, then do what you want to do. That's first and foremost. Be happy and be confident. This only applies to people if you just feel like something is off and you want to make your face a bit more enhanced or camouflaged to some extent, all right? Now, another one is, I have a couple more here. Now, here's another example of maybe getting a bit more height in through here, right? Once again, we're going with that side parting, and also there's a bit more height. So now, this is the focal point. Every haircut should have a focal point, right? So when you are looking at this, the first thing you're seeing is, wow, look at that volume in the hair, right? It's a lot of volume. It's automatically narrowing, so it's a bit more of a square face shape with more height on top. So that's another thing, is if your face is a bit more rounded, trying to elongate it and add more volume and height right in through here, you're actually, once again, slimming the face down with a good balanced haircut. And then I have one here that is a bit more on the shorter side, somewhat more traditional, but this is also great because you can wear a bit of texture and a bit more of a kind of more modern spiky, messy type of hairstyle. So this is something that's really, really good too, because you have the length. You can kind of, work this down slightly and then create some height and some volume throughout the top here. So this is another haircut that I think really works well because it's a shorter version. You don't have to have hair down to here, but it's also slimming the face as well. And I think, once again, that if you are somebody who just feels confident in any haircut, then get what you want. But if you're, and again, don't be brainwashed by these. And my audience, like people who are watching, like you aren't looks maxers. You're not 19-year-olds or 22-year-olds. Like if you are, that's fine. Cool. Welcome. How you doing? My primary audience are more, middle class, working class professionals, entrepreneurs, people who really, because people are doing virtual consultations with me that are very costly. So they're investing in themselves, and they're the ones buying my products. They're the ones who really they care about their looks, and they care about the value that I'm bringing to you. Most of these people who are trying to sell you hair products, they never spent a day as a hair professional. I've been a hair professional, licensed hair professional in 3 different states for over 30 years. I've been in the industry. I've worked for 2 major companies. So my experience, I have the street cred and the authenticity to be the salon guy. If you're getting value from this and you're learning from this and watching, I really appreciate it, and I respect you for taking the time to watch this. So check out the ebooks, and if you found this video helpful, please let me know in the comments below. Subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.